Good morning, students, or good afternoon, depending on when you're watching this. What I'm going to do in this video here is show you one of the first things that will be graded. It's going to be an easy assignment, and it's just going to be setting up an online notebook for when we take notes in class. And as I go through the video, I'll show you some of the different things that we'll be using it for. But if you had me in 6th grade last year, this is kind of going to be similar to the interactive notebooks. You remember last year we used the spiral notebooks and we took notes in those every day. So we're going to be, as of right now, we're going to be using this online version. All right, so that's what this video is going to be. So the first thing you'll want to do is go into your Clever account and then Office 365. I favorited this, so it's right here on my top bar here. Yours might be somewhere down there, but if you can't find it, you can always search here for Office 365. All right, so if I open Office 365, I will have the options for all the different types of programs that are available. So Outlook, just so real quick, Outlook is your email. So if you ever want to email me, that is where you will be doing that. So you have all these other tools for you, PowerPoint and things like that. So for this particular activity, we're going to be going into OneNote. And this is going to be where we set up our notebooks. I'm going to remove that. So the first thing you want to do is just click this blue button here stating New Notebook. And because this is science class, you might want to label it Science. You might even want to do 2020 to 2021 Science if you want to use OneNote again next year. So click Create, and it's automatically going to open up that notebook. So your science notebook is technically already created. Now what you're going to do is, you see the notebook here is empty. What we're going to do is we're going to add sections and pages. So pretty much this looks like Microsoft Word if you've ever used that, and it has a lot of the same features. But let's go ahead and create a section. And the first section we're going to call Unit 1. Click Enter or OK, and Unit 1 is already made for you. Go to section again, Unit 2. Section again, Unit 3. All right, so let's just start with 3 units. That should set us up for first couple of months. Now in that section, in that Unit 1 section, we can add different pages. So again, if you had me last year, we had a page for our scale, a page for our vocab, a page for notes, things like that. So to add the title to that page, it's just this top bar here. So let's go ahead and label it vocab. All right, click Add Page. And now we have an untitled page here. Let's label this My Notes. So if we're taking notes from a lecture that I'm giving, then you can just start typing in here. All right. You can also, add tables. You can even draw, which is great because sometimes in science we need to, it's not really something that we can type, it's something that we have to draw a picture of. So that's one way that we're going to utilize OneNote. And then you can, add different pages as much as you want. You can maybe do test, review. All right. Right now, let's go ahead and just start with those 3 pages. If you want to add more later on, you definitely can. If you go back into Unit 2 now, you can add those same pages. So vocab, my notes, and test review into Unit 2. So that is going to be our science notebook for the year. So if you need any help, please let me know. But that is what I would like for you to do now.